What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fix Anything. Today I'm going to be talking about job pricing. So, this is a little example I did recently of a job. A guy called me up and asked me to do an attic clean out for him before he moved into his new place. So, he wanted me to lay down 2 sheets of plywood and basically just sweep the whole attic and clean it out and get it ready for him. So I picked up a couple sheets of plywood, some deck screws, and headed over. The job ended up taking me about 5 hours, including a trip to Home Depot to grab some materials, and I ended up charging him, I think, $360 total. So my material cost was 65 bucks minus the 360, came out to I think $295 profit, and divided that by the 5 hours it took me, came out to be about 59 bucks an hour. So normally I like to charge more than that an hour, but this is just what this worked out to be. What do you guys charge per hour? Was this enough? Was it not enough? Um, so let me know what you guys think. This was also a repeat customer, so I can, maybe give him a little bit better deal because of that. I don't have to have the customer acquisition cost so much, but yeah, anyways, let me know what you guys think. Comment below. Thanks for watching.